Welcome to my channel. I'm staying in this wonderful country house in the lost corner of Germany. It's called Halle. It's actually not that lost because it's very well known for tennis. I have ordered for something and I wanted to show you what I ordered. It is this. What's this? This is not what I ordered. But what is it nonetheless? I think this is an order for the house because this is a very interesting house and they have very interesting stuff. This is not what I ordered. This I gotta send back. Yeah, I got the order right this time. Yes, they got it right this time. This is what I ordered. Yes, folks, it is the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 and I'm going to show what's inside the box. This is the signature DJI phone box. This is in Japanese, Chinese, English, French, German, Latin, Esperanto. We'll have a look at that later. Now let's have a look at the device. This is the device. Here is the USB charging cable. This you have the silica gel. The device is right here. So folks, this is the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. $129 in the US, 14 or 15,000 rupees on Amazon in India. It feels very solid. The texture is grippy. When I'm holding it like this, I get a very nice feel to it. What I have to do now is keep it straight like this, though it also has a tripod mount here. I can put the tripod base plate and put it onto my Manfrotto if I want, which will essentially mean that my Manfrotto stand will be bigger than my phone because this is for the mobile. It'll be very funny. Now I have to learn how to balance my phone onto this. It's going to be quite a task. I'm not going to do this on this particular video. I'll do it on a subsequent video in which I'll show how to balance the phone onto this device and then you start shooting. Right now it's not balanced at all. It's all over the place. But folks, click on the like button if you like this unboxing video. If you want more information, write on the comments below. And you must go and subscribe. And remember also to click on the bell notifications. See you soon from Halle in Germany, signing off. Cheers folks.